Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Well, lots of you have asked me what the kit is going to be like when I do the cycle for the summit. So I'm giving you a full fashion show today. So we've got the red hat, we've got the Ruth Strauss branded kit, we've also got the amazing Brompton bikes which have been custom made for our event. And all of us are going to be kitted out in this wonderful kit. I should mention the sponsors here who have been absolutely fabulous throughout this process. So Brompton obviously for these amazing bikes, Lecole for the kit who have done such an incredible job, Garmin who have provided us with some great tech to support our event, and also Hamlin's who obviously are close to my heart and are sponsoring the event as well. So thanks to everyone involved. We're really looking forward to the event, if slightly concerned about just how tough it's going to be. So please do keep a lookout for us, follow us on social, and if you can make a donation, then that is amazing. Thanks very much.